Hello, my name is Heidi Anaya and I'm the Director of Education with the Red Global Group. We're very proud sponsors of the Eurocre University Challenge, and we're here at Eurocre to present the awards for this past year's Eurocre University Challenge, and that will be to NHTV Breda University. They were the first place finishers. University of South Carolina was second. The way the University Challenge works is it's teams of 4 senior students with 1 instructor to lead them, and they go through a 6-week course facilitated by myself. And during the time of the competition, they are engaging in a simulation competition. They're also going through e-learning modules for business acumen. And at the very end, they do get their certification in hospitality business acumen. The 2017 Eurocre Challenge is going to be running starting in February of next year, and we are taking registrations at any time, so please reach out to me and I'd be delighted to tell you more or to accept your registration.